Have you seen everyone else get involved with Ethereum, but you're confused on how to join? Have you heard about Ethereum development, but not sure how to build something practical? Maybe you're interested in learning advanced Ethereum development by building a fun game. Well, worry no more. In this Ethereum game development course, we're going to help you alleviate all of those questions you have around building something practical upon the Ethereum blockchain, working with the ecosystem at more depth practically than any other Ethereum development course. So by the end, you'll have greater proficiency in Ethereum development. Just so you're aware, myself, Ravinder, and Thomas will be taking you through this course. We're creators of some of the best-selling cryptocurrency and blockchain courses, teaching now approaching 100,000 plus learners in over 190 countries, which is pretty incredible. It just goes to prove the scale of cryptocurrency and blockchain adoption globally. Now, this course has a pure and simple goal. We're going to help you build a game upon the Ethereum blockchain so you can become a more proficient Ethereum blockchain developer, following which you'll have worked with the Ethereum blockchain at a more advanced level. That's the pure and simple goal, but that entails covering every element of the Ethereum blockchain development journey, which I'm sure you're going to find fascinating.